What's going on, my friend? Gary here. In this video, I'm going to give you a full review of a website called CPALead.com. Now, maybe you've been doing research on CPA marketing or affiliate marketing, and you saw this website's name come up, and you're really smart enough to do your research and see, is this actually a good website to find products and offers to promote, or should you maybe go somewhere else? Well, you're in the right place because I've actually been doing affiliate marketing full-time for about 6 years now. I've made multiple six figures, and I'm going to share with you my honest opinion on what I believe is best when it comes to focusing on doing either CPA marketing or, using this website. If you want to sign up, it's very easy. Just go to the top right, click sign up, and you create a free account. It takes just a few seconds. And once you're in your dashboard, this is where you can scroll down and see all these different offers. Now, if you don't know what CPA marketing is, basically it's called cost per acquisition. So essentially, companies will create lead capture forms, websites to collect people's information, whether it's an email, a phone number, a first name, an email, and a phone number, right? It changes in how complex these pages actually are. And usually they'll pay you every single time someone submits their information. And the more complex the page, usually the more money they're actually going to pay you because they want a lot of data on who their potential prospects and customers are. So if we go down here, you're going to be able to see the device, So you want to make sure that if you're actually running traffic or getting visitors to these offers, you're doing it with the right devices, Because some of them, they only allow Android devices to actually submit information so you can get paid. Some of them only do iOS, And it also shares with you the type, So this is a mobile app, So that would mean that someone would have to actually install this app. This is a survey, So if I open this up for a second, you can see this is an email submit. So essentially, if someone goes to this, and I can actually, go to this page, this is what it's going to look like, So if you send someone to this page, essentially, when it loads, it's going to look like this, And then what you have to get the person to do is actually put their name, their email. Now, I'm in Brazil, so this is actually in Portuguese. But basically, they put in their information, and then they would submit it. And oftentimes, when they do that, you'll actually get paid, Now, you can see the payout right here. Now, for this survey right here, Start Amazon Homework, the survey is $1.86 per submit. Now, a lot of people like CPA marketing because you don't have to actually get people to buy a product. They just have to put in information and you can actually make money. Now, another thing to keep in mind is the country. So this is France, meaning that they're only allowing traffic or visitors to their website if it's from France, if it's French people. Some of them are Slovakia, United States, So you want to make sure you look at this before you start promoting. Otherwise, you won't get paid, They won't count it as a submit, an email submit, So you want to look at the payout. Now, is this good, right? Now, when it comes to CPA marketing, CPA Lead is pretty good, Because they offer a lot of varieties of offers. And, the payouts, you can see some of them have fast pay, So that you receive the payment whenever you decide to cash out. So others, have pretty good EPC, earning per click. So you can see this one right here has 42 cents, meaning that on average from all the different affiliates on this website, most people are making about 42 cents every time they get someone to click this link, So if you go here, you promote your affiliate link. This is the preview link, so you can see what it looks like. This is your actual affiliate link. So this is what you would try to get people to go to, So it says this offer is not available, because I'm currently in Brazil. But if that person was in Slovakia, then that would actually redirect to the offer. And if they put their email in, or this one's a mobile app, so if they actually install this on their phone, on their iOS phone, you want to be very careful and look at all these details, what they require, then you would make 54 cents per install, So like I said, this site's pretty good when it comes to CPA marketing, but the problem is CPA marketing something you should focus on, right? Especially if you're brand new online, you want to make money, maybe quit a job, travel the world, and just create enough income to supply your lifestyle. I want to share with you why I personally don't really do CPA marketing. The problem with CPA marketing is it's very, very difficult to become profitable. You need a massive amount of traffic to actually start to generate any good income. If you look at this, okay, look at this one right here, 23 cents. So that means every time someone installs, you get paid 23 cents, which is very, very tiny. Now, let's say you are promoting this and you want to make $10,000 a month. If I go to the calculator, okay, I go $10,000 a month, divide that by 0.23, okay, 23 cents per install, you would need 43,478 people per month to install that app on their phone, okay, which is absolutely mind-blowingly difficult, okay? Because the other thing is you have to get traffic. So often with this, to get that insane amount of traffic, you need to do paid traffic where you're actually paying. Now, a lot of these sites, let's say Google, you want to run Google ads, okay? So if you run Google ads, often Google ads are at least $1 per click. That's $1 per click. Well, what's the problem? The problem is, let's say it takes 3 clicks to this page to get one person to put their to install this app, okay? So that takes $1 per click times 3 clicks just to get one install. That's $3, and the payout's only 23. So you're actually losing money, right? You're actually losing money by running ads to this offer. So what's the alternative? What's the solution? Well, what I discovered years back when I first was going to do CPA marketing was there's something called high ticket affiliate marketing. Now, the beautiful thing about high ticket affiliate marketing is you can literally do the same work. You can drive traffic to a page, but rather than making 23 cents per install, you can make $1,000 per referral, per sale. Now, some people think, oh, it's difficult to get people to buy. Not really. All you have to do is find a good selling product that's already proven, get people that are qualified and interested in that product to see that offer. And when they buy, because you referred them, you can literally earn $1,000, even up to $5,000 per referral. And that's what I've been doing the last few years. That's what I've been helping people with. And that's what I want to share a link directly below to, okay? Because a lot of people were asking me what I do recommend. There's going to be a link directly below to a free training video revealing exactly how to get started with high ticket affiliate marketing, how to find the right products that pay you these big ticket commissions. With a product that pays you $2,000 per referral, you only need 5 people a month to actually buy that product, and you're hitting $10,000 a month rather than 43,000. Okay, like this one, you know, in the calculator, 43,000 people a month versus 5 people. Okay, so it's absolutely crazy. Now, you know, yes, some people can use CPA offers, you know, as far as in the front end of their funnel to get some money. But even that, it still pays you so little, it doesn't make a lot of sense to really focus on this long term, okay? So is CPA Lead legit? You know, can you find CPA products or offers rather to actually promote? Yes. Do I recommend it? Not really, especially if you want to make some life-changing income, okay? So I hope you got value in this review. If you agree, you know, you've tried this before and the payouts you've just realized are incredibly low, comment that below. Also, be sure to check out that link direct below. It's a totally free training. You can see a full presentation webinar on step-by-step exactly how to get started. And also be sure to subscribe with the bell icon so you never miss out on my latest step-by-step reviews. Anyway, my friend, thanks so much for watching, and I will see you on my next video.